Kurita's center force, the mightiest arm of the Imperial Japanese Navy's Shogo plan, slices through Philippine waters like a blade aimed at the heart of the American invasion. Aboard the Yamato, the world's largest battleship with her 18.1-inch guns capable of hurling shells 25 miles, confidence runs high. Kurita, a seasoned commander with scars from Midway and Guadalcanal, gathers his staff in the flag plot. "The Essex-class carriers," he says, his voice steady, "are nothing but oversized targets. Our battleships, Yamato, Musashi, Nagato, will close the distance and shatter them before their planes can reload." Laughter ripples among the officers. Rear Admiral Tamiji Koyanagi nods, recalling intelligence reports that painted the U.S. fast carriers as vulnerable without their screens. "They rely on air power," Koyanagi scoffs, "but in a surface duel, our armor reigns supreme." You can almost smell the salt spray and cordite as the fleet presses on, formation tight. Cruisers like Otago and Maya flanking the heavies, destroyers scouting ahead. The plan is audacious. Transit the San Bernardino Strait under cover of night, then descend on the lightly guarded U.S. landing beaches at Leyte. Emperor Hirohito himself has staked Japan's fate on this counterstroke to halt General Douglas MacArthur's return to the Philippines. Below decks, sailors polish shells in the magazines, their banter laced with bravado. "Those Yankees think their Essex boats are invincible, but wait till Musashi's turrets speak." Musashi, Yamato's sister ship, under Vice Admiral Inoguchi Toshihira, steams parallel, her decks bristling with 127mm anti-aircraft guns, ready to swat away any aerial nuisance. Yet the first hints of trouble pierce the morning calm. Scout planes from the light carrier Zuiho report sightings. Admiral William Bull Halsey's Third Fleet, with Task Force 38's carrier groups lurking to the east. Kurita dismisses it with a wave. "Their pilots are green. Our Zeros will handle them." But the Zeros are few. Japan's air arm decimated by earlier battles like the Marianas Turkey Shoot, where Essex-class carriers like USS Lexington and Enterprise had already proven their mettle, launching hundreds of fighters to dominate the skies. Unbeknownst to Kurita, Halsey has 8 Essex-class fleet carriers at his disposal. Essex, Intrepid, Franklin, and more, each embarking up to 100 aircraft. Hellcats for air superiority, Helldivers for bombing, Avengers for torpedoes. As noon approaches, the attacks begin in earnest. Waves of aircraft from Task Group 38.2, commanded by Rear Admiral Gerald Bogan aboard Intrepid, streak in